Traders and students all around the world, this is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube. And we are late, huh? Just for a change, we are late today. Let me see, King of Swing, hello, happy Monday, Tuesday, hello to you. SL, hi King of Swing, is swing moving in favor? Christian, hello. King of Swing, I always try to be in favor. And USL, hello MHB, still to be lucky in the market. Hello Miguel, the webinar is announced at yes. Mihai, hello, how are you? King of Swing, don't luck in Forex, you are correct. Hello all. Ashok, hopefully pronounce your name correctly. Hello, what time it will start? I'm late. So, okay guys, welcome, we are here. Remember, this is Forex Trading Course 101 and we are in the Forex Trading Week. Okay, I don't know if it's going today, is going to be the last day or tomorrow, and then we are going to start back all over again. Okay, so if this is your first time, everybody, don't stress, because I don't know, maybe tomorrow, if not in 2 days, we are going to start the course, everything from the beginning, you know, like module number 1, basic module, what is market structure. But still, today is the Forex Trading Week, and talking about the course, what are we trying to do here? We are trying to build a strategy and or a system that you understand, that it's easy for you to obey. We are trying to understand how risk management works inside our strategy and in our system, and the big one, we are trying to understand how our psychology affects our thinking about risk management and our strategy. And talking about psychology, everybody, what do champion beginner traders say? Champion beginner traders say, I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And this is a quote from Mark Douglas, and I have my own quote here. And it says, when the market scares the hell out of you, don't be afraid to do the right thing, you know. So when you lose and you have one more loser and one more loser and one more loser, you know, and when you get scared, you know, oh my god, and when finally the right setup comes along, don't be afraid to do the right thing. What is the right thing? Well, enter the market. Follow your strategy, follow the rules. Don't be afraid to do the right thing. And remember, everybody, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide, and the webinars are not trading or investment advice. Homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and my LinkedIn contact. And King of Swing is saying today is the last day, talking about the Forex Trading Week. Okay, everybody, tell me, what currency pair do you want to check? How can I help you? Do you want to talk about psychology, or do you want to check some currency pairs? And remember, everybody, first comes, first is served. So if you are in a trade that you are not comfortable with, you know, if you are double guessing your trade, you know, if you want to know if your vision is correct, just type in the chat the currency pair, the time frame, and what is your idea. You know, you can say, example, CHF JPY short on the 1 hour chart. You can say Euro JPY long on the 4 hour chart. You can say AUD CAD short on the weekly chart, whatever, you know, there is no right or wrong. Just remember that first comes, first is served. Okay? And there is no right or wrong, don't be shy. There is no right or wrong. You can go long and short, you know, on the same pairs. Okay, so don't stress out. There is no right or wrong. And remember, we are here to learn, right? Don't be afraid to make questions, you know. And we are in a trade still. We've been shorting AUD CAD, right? So let's see how AUD CAD is going on. Euro dollar. Guys, I'm telling you, I know some of you don't trade just euro dollar. Most euro dollar. Well, what about the other 22 currency pairs? No, SL, I'm not talking about you. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry. I'm not talking about you, but some of the traders that I know, they are just on USD JPY and just on euro dollar and just, you know. Why I'm telling you this, everybody? Because you need to learn how to use those concepts on every time frame and every currency pair. Make sense? Okay, nonetheless, let's go on euro dollar. Euro dollar, euro CAD, euro AUD. Where is it? Euro dollar. There you go. SL, are you in a trade? Are you long on euro dollar? SL? Are you already in a trade? Hello Annie, how are you? If you are in a trade, would you be so kind and tell us where is your stop loss? You know. Okay everybody, this is the SL, this is the monthly chart. What do you see from the monthly? Oh, but I'm on the daily, I know. But the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame. Okay, would you be so kind and type in the chat where is your stop loss, where is your entry, and where is your take profit? SL, would you be so kind and type where did you enter, where is your stop loss, and where is your take profit? In the meantime, everybody, when SL is typing, what are you seeing from the monthly chart? Is the market going to go down, most likely, or is the market going to push up, most likely? What are you seeing? Okay, I'm waiting for your answer, everybody. I'm waiting for your answer, and delete this one, delete, no. So stop loss, let's make it red, right? And red and something like this. Edit label SL stop loss, and coordinates 1.16005. Okay, and take now I don't get it, you know. You are so this is the stop loss. Okay, SL, what pattern did you trade? What pattern are you trading? This is the take profit, which is great, and it's at 1.19561. See everybody, this is how we lose money. You know, what's wrong with SL stop loss and take profit, everybody? Passion, but you said there is no right or wrong. Well, we are talking about concepts, you know. SL, if you allow me to teach you something, I'm going to tell you you are not trading in the correct way. Everybody, what is the problem with SL stop loss and take profit? USD is gaining position in all its crosses. Wow, so my dog was right, huh? Looks like my dog was right. USD CHF long, huh? I'm just joking. Let's try to learn something, everybody. So what is wrong with the stop loss and take profit? What do you think? Everybody? Too tight stop loss. Yes, sir. SL, what is wrong? You know, you have, based on the daily, it looks most likely to go short for a while. Everybody, if you allow me to teach you something, you know, those stop loss and take profit, you know, you cannot trade the daily chart like this. Miguel is correct. The stop loss is too tight. You know, look at the swings on the daily chart, guys. You know, so SL, I would suggest to you, talking about patterns, if you are having this kind of stop loss and take profit levels, do it from the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart. Okay? Makes sense, guys? Does it make sense, SL? You know? Passion, I don't understand. Okay, let's go step by step. SL, what pattern did you trade? Everybody, this is what you must learn. You cannot go in the Forex course 2 until you understand this. What pattern are we trading going long on euro dollar daily chart? SL, you are the head of trading, we are your traders, and we are asking you, boss, what pattern are we trading? Boss? What pattern are we trading, boss? Everybody, trading is a learnable skill. This is what you need to learn. You must identify the pattern that you are trading. Why? Because the stop loss is based on the pattern. And this stop loss has nothing to do. You know? I'm going to put my stop loss below the most recent low. Wrong way of doing things. This is not the correct way to trade, everybody. Listen to me what I'm telling you. This is our last lesson. Then we are going to start all over again. When you think about yourself as a trader and you are saying to yourself, I am going to enter the market and I'm going to put my stop loss below or above a high or a low. This is not the correct way to trade. I don't care what, you know. Oh, but my other teacher told me to invite your teacher to the class here so we can talk to each other, okay? You know, you need to identify the pattern. Patterns give direction to the market. And then you have a stop loss based on the pattern. We are waiting for SL. You know, we don't know what pattern did he trade. You know, And Christian says, well, we can trade the original Fibonacci as a pattern. Yes, we can. But he is not trading the Fibonaccis. How do we know this? Look at the take profit level. SL is not trading the Fibonacci. Miguel says, true, long is Fibonacci pattern. Yes, sir, but SL is not trading the Fibonacci. Oh, Passion, how do you know this? Look at the take profit level. So, one more time, SL, would you be so kind and type in the chat, what pattern are we trading? And you don't know, it's okay, we are here to learn. You say, oh, I don't know. Or I didn't know that I should have a pattern. Cool. Stop loss place is below to the retracement. Boss, what pattern are we trading? In other words, SL, why did we go long? Why did we go long, everybody? Different patterns have different probabilities, you know. Stop loss is being belong to retracement. It doesn't change a thing, you know. What are we trading? Patterns give direction. So why are we long? Are we long because the market was making higher highs, higher lows? But everybody, for you to learn, just be honest, you know. Don't take my words. Oh yeah, I'm going to write what Passion said, you know. Just type in the chat. Oh, I didn't have a pattern, you know. Just being honest. Cool. This is how we learn. Nobody's perfect. We are here to learn. There is no right or wrong, right? So let's start to learn something, everybody. You cannot throw, I mean, you can do anything you want, but the higher the time frame, the different the stop loss and the take profit. We have an uptrend from the daily. Yes, we have. It's due to the uptrend. So you entered long, right? Here. Because of this one. Did we end boss? So you're the boss, right? Where is okay, there you go. Boss, did we go long because of this? Boss, did we go long because of market doing this one? Higher highs, higher lows. See, everybody, this is why we lose money, you know. One more time. You have an uptrend. It's just an example. You have an uptrend like this, you know, and you are shorting the market because of this. You are going to lose money. You have a downtrend like this, and you are going up just because of this. You are going to lose money again. You have double tops, just an example, you know, and you are going long because of this. You are going to lose money again. You have triple bottoms. 1, 2, whoops. 1, 2, 3. And you are shorting the market here. You are going to lose again. You are not getting this game, everybody. What is this that I'm showing you? So when we are going long or short, so let's number something, right? This is double tops and this is triple bottoms, okay? And we are going to number This is going to be number 1, and clone, this is going to be number 2, okay, and clone, this is going to be number, edit, this is going to be number 3 here, and down here is number 4. Okay, everybody, so when we are shorting the market at the number 1, you know, what is the probability of our trade being a winner? Hello Allah, how are you? Everybody, but especially SL, when I'm shorting the number 1, what is the probability of this trade to be a winner? Let's use the vocabulary small or big. Do I have a small probability to be a winner, or do I have a big probability to be a winner? Everybody, what do you think? Number 1. Same question for number 2. If I'm going long on number 2, do I have a strong probability or a big probability to be a winner, or a small probability to be a winner? If I'm going long on number 3, do I have a big probability to be a winner? And talking about number 4, if I'm shorting the market, so it's the same question. 50%, no. 99, no. Small, exactly small. Why? Because I am trading, it goes for all the numbers, everybody, because I am trading the short-term trend. Short-term trend. And let's learn something today, everybody. When comparing a pattern and the short-term trend, when comparing a pattern to the short-term trend, the pattern wins most of the time. Sometimes we are lucky, but 8-9 times out of 10. Let's learn something today, everybody. Then we are going to start all over again. When we are trading, when comparing a pattern to the short-term trend, the pattern wins most of the time. What does this mean? This means that if I'm shorting the market, I'm going against the pattern. What is the pattern? Well, it could be the market wave, it could be structure, you know. What is the pattern here? You know, it's double tops, it's the pattern. So I have a greater chance of losing. Triple bottom, it's a pattern. And I'm shorting the market because I have a short-term trend. You know, down structure is a pattern, down market wave is a pattern, original Fibonacci on the monthly, weekly is a pattern, crown on the daily, weekly, monthly is a pattern. You know? Miguel says you should not short an uptrend. Well, you can, but you must be skilled enough. You know, so it's small, right? See, everybody, this is why this is not the correct way. You know? So what's the pattern? Well, if you want to go long on euro dollar and it's a probability game, your stop loss, everybody, should go down here. This is the stop loss. How do you know, Passion? Well, the stop loss is relevant to the pattern. So if I'm trading the original Fibonacci, and according to the Fibonacci rules, which are nothing special, the safest place to put your stop is below or above the A. And this is how we lose money as beginner traders, everybody. We have a greater chance for the market to stop us out, SL, hit the next support and reverse. And we are going to have a losing trade. Or the market is going to hit our stop loss, push to the lower support, and then is going to go up. So this is not the correct way, everybody, to trade. You cannot have short stops on higher time frames. You are not listening, some of you. I'm going to trade the weekly chart and I'm going to have a 15 pip stop. It doesn't work. It never worked. Can you understand this, everybody? You cannot have short stops on higher time frames. Follow the pattern. Trade the pattern. Trade accordingly to the pattern. Can you understand this, everybody? If you don't believe, it's okay. You know, oh, Passion, I don't agree with you. It's okay. Passion, I don't believe you. It's okay. But do you understand this? King of Swing, but what if you are shorting the retracement of the market wave? You can do this, no problem. But some of you are not skilled enough. SL, okay sir, got your point. What can you do, SL? If you are on a demo account, you can put the stop loss on a different level, you know, or just close the trade. Everybody, when you see yourself making mistakes and you, oh, I did a mistake, just close the trade. It's that simple. Oh, but I'm losing. Well, why are you on the live account? We are telling you. Start with the demo. Show yourself 3 months of profits and then start small. Guys, you would not believe me how many traders are losing real money before they come to class. Oh, Passion, can I join your class? Yes, you can. Oh, I lost $15,000 live account. Oh, Passion, I need to learn more. Why? I lost a $20,000 account live. Passion, please help me. What happened? I lost 40,000 euros live. Passion, please help me. What happened? I lost $50,000 on the live account. Don't trade live until you can prove yourself, not to me, to you. Until you can prove yourself that you know what you are doing and that you really understand the concepts. You know? Because once the damage is done, it's difficult to help you, everybody. Why? Because of psychology. You lost $20,000, $40,000, whatever $1,000 or euros or equivalent in different currency, and then you are willing to learn. Yes, you can learn, but you are going to be a frustrated trader. You are going to be a frustrated student. Why? Because you lost. And you didn't tell your wife or husband, did you? And you didn't tell your family, and you didn't tell your friends that you lost. But you know it. And you are going to be a frustrated... Yeah, I've been there, you know. Oh, Passion, how do you know? I've been there. Been there, done this. Most of you are not believing me. I'm telling you time to time, I know exactly how you feel and think. Exactly. Oh, you cannot know. I know exactly how you feel and think. Because I've done this, I've been there. I've lost accounts, real money, borrow money, burn the account. Staying quiet. Don't tell your girlfriend. Don't tell your mama or your papa that you lost, the savings for your college. I've been there, I've done this. And I know how difficult it is to learn after. So I'm telling you, be smart, don't be stupid and naive. Because I was naive, Here comes the broker, oh, you are going to be a millionaire with our system in a week. Yay! Poof, lost the account in one day. So here, where is my million in the next week? And when you call the manager of the the broker, they're going to tell you, yo, yes, but what yes, but? You told me that I'm going to be a millionaire in 1 week. What yes, but? I lost the account with your system. No, but yes, but what yes, but? Guys and girls, don't be so naive, and trade on the live account. You are not skilled yet. You know this. The numbers don't lie. Check the performance of your account. And don't joke. This is no joke, I'm telling you. And I have some students in the Forex course 202, and they're frustrated because they lost 20,000 live real money, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 100,000, some of them. Oh, it's not big deal. Well, tell this to your wife or your husband that it's not big deal. Oh, it's not big deal. Well, did you tell your significant other? No? So it's not big deal, huh? You are quiet, you want to recover your money, and it's going to take you years, and you are being quiet. Because it's not big deal, huh? Guys, most likely you cannot outsmart me. Some of you can, they are smart, but most of you cannot outsmart me. I've been there, done this. Especially talking about psychology. I've been there, done this, all the bad things and the stupid things. Teacher, it's the broker job to sell lies? Yes, sir. The broker is not your friend. The bank is not your friend. Those are not your friend, guys. The brokers, the banks, the insurance companies, those are not your friends. The investment funds are not your friends. They are taking care of them, not of you. And yes, sometimes somebody's selling lies, Oh, it's going to be easy. So don't be so naive. Think, you have a head, right? Why do you have a head for? You have a head to think. Oh, it's going to be easy, You are going to be a millionaire in 1 year. Well, I have my head on and I have my critical thinking. So I'm going to ask the broker or the investment bank or the investment fund, well, if this is true, show me how many of your clients are millionaires in 1 year. And then what is the next step? The broker or the banker or whatever is going to just disappear. Oh, this guy is smart, If you are, guys, some of you are 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 25, whatever, okay, we are naive. But if you are 30 something, it's time for you to wake up, You cannot be naive. So, after the father lecture, right? I'm talking like a father to you, right? After the father lecture, What can we do? What can you do with this trade? Number one, we said, SL, what are you going to do? Should we close the trade? Should we close the trade? Now, what is the correct way, everybody? We are going to, SL, what we are going to do? We are going to, now, I'm not going to give you the answer, but SL, if we are trading the short-term trend, where is the market telling you that we are wrong on the direction? SL? Boss, why did we go long? Because of the market making higher highs, higher lows. The short-term trend. So, where is the area that the market is going to tell us that we are not in a short-term uptrend anymore? Close the trade already, okay? But still, let's try to learn something, everybody. Where is the area that the market is going to show us that we are wrong in our direction? Talking about, no, don't mix apples with bananas. Talking about the short-term uptrend, where should the stop loss go? Everybody, where should the stop loss go? And please, if you like my father talk, give it a thumb up, okay? This is for free for you. We need likes, so we can give you this free education, okay? This is a project. So back to the technicals, everybody. Where is the area that the market is going to show us? You can also give a thumb down, you know, it's not a problem. We need interaction. Passion, I don't like your father talk. Cool, give it a thumb down. We need interaction, you know. So everybody, where is the area that is going to show us previous lower high? No, not lower high, but maybe you think correctly, but you wrote incorrectly, Miguel. Not lower high, but SL, you need to learn this. What is your answer, SL? If we are going long on the short-term uptrend, where is the correct stop loss for the short-term uptrend? It's not down in here, this is wrong. And this is why we are telling you, you need to learn patterns, everybody. Thank you for the thumb up. Where is the area of the pattern? See, everybody, this is why we lose as beginner traders, you know. We need to learn patterns, we need to learn when, where, and where the stop loss go. We need to make sense of the probabilities on the bigger time frames and smaller time frames. We need to make sense on probabilities from different patterns on the same time frame. Higher low, now yes sir, okay? So SL, trading this pattern, this is the stop, this is the correct stop loss level. Okay, why that? Well, because we went long when the market was making higher highs, higher lows. And this is the pattern that we are trading. So if the market stops us out down here, did we do anything wrong? Everybody, you need to learn this, right? And this is a skill, you know. Let's try to learn something. Why if we enter Everybody, listen to me very carefully. Why, if we enter at the same level, you know, trading the Fibonacci as a pattern, this stop loss is wrong, and why, if we are trading the short-term uptrend, we enter the same level as the Fibonacci trader, but we are trading a different pattern, why is this stop loss right? Below the higher low, yes sir, higher low, yes, Christian, higher low. Question to ponder. Why, if we are trading the Fibonacci as a pattern, this stop loss is, the SL stop loss is wrong, but why, if we enter at the same price, we use the same techniques, counter, trendline break, Fibonacci, whatever, you know, not Fibonacci, but counter, trendline break, candlestick formation, we are going to enter at the same area, but because we are trading a different pattern, then we are telling you, oh, this stop loss is correct. Why? You cannot move into Forex course 202 if you don't understand this. Everybody, what do you think? Answer, yes sir, of course, because different patterns have different rules. So, if I'm trading, if I'm going long on the short-term uptrend, meaning the market making higher highs, higher lows, is anything wrong to put the stop loss down here? Everybody? Is anything wrong? And before you say yes or no, the question is why? Why it's nothing wrong here? Or if you say yes, why is it wrong? We have 2 more minutes, everybody. Is this stop loss wrong? And why? Or is this stop loss not wrong and why? Talking about going long on the short-term uptrend. No, not wrong. Why not? Why not? And SL, just for you, right, and everybody else, you need to learn this. This is how beginner traders will lose money. We are trading short-term something and we are not aware of the bigger picture. Okay, SL? Every time, it doesn't matter why, are you a scalper, intraday, day trader, swing trader, news trader, you need to know, you need to be aware of the bigger picture in order to make sense out of your losers. Still too tight? No sir. Talking about the patterns, this is the correct stop loss. Because it's on a market wave and this is the correct play. Sure, exactly. If the market hits my stop loss, nothing's wrong. Why not? Because the market is not anymore in an uptrend. The market is not making higher highs, higher lows anymore. It starts to make a lower low. So nothing's wrong with the stop loss. Miguel, you are right in general, but not on the pattern. Rina, it's correct because if we are stopped out on the short-term trend has changed. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely correct. Rina, are you ready for Friday, Rina? Prepare yourself on Friday, you know. Okay, everybody. Monday, Tuesday. If you want, next level number 1, if you want to accelerate your learning curve and not waste 1, 2, 3 years, ask for private lessons of Forex Course 101, as Rina is doing. Or if you want to learn how to trade as a professional, learn the mindset and the heart set, ask for Forex Trader Course 202, as Christian is doing, where professional traders don't have one-on-one issues. Wouldn't you agree? Okay, everybody, hopefully you've learned something today. If King of Swing is right, tomorrow we are going to start all over again. We are going to start from basic module, lesson number 1, what is market structure? Rina says, yes sir, of course you are. Okay everybody, stay strong and trade with passion. See you back tomorrow. This is FXPassion signing off.